Welcome to all of you. Today we will see a new topic, that is the bacteria. In a bacteria, we will see the introduction, definition, discovery, and characteristic of bacteria. First of all, see the definition of bacteria, that is the Abercrombie and his co-workers in 1980 gives the definition of bacteria. It is the group of unicellular or multicellular microscopic organisms usually lacking the chlorophyll, that is the absence of chlorophyll. Because of lacking chlorophyll, most of the bacteria are saprophytic or parasitic, that means they depends upon the other organisms. Some of the bacteria obtains energy from the light in presence of bacteriochlorophylls. After completion of definition, we will switch over to the discovery. That bacteria these are first observed and described belongs to Otto van Leeuwenhoek, a draper from the Delft, Holland. He forwarded his microscopic discoveries in the form of letter to the Royal Society of England in 1674. In 1683, he made an accurate description of various types of bacteria and communicated his findings to the Royal Society. Because of their motility, bacteria were thought by Leeuwenhoek to be tiny animals and described them as a little animalcules. But it was only about 2 centuries later the importance of Leeuwenhoek's discovery of bacteria in medicine and other areas of biology came to be recognized. Later on in 1876, the Louis Pasteur demonstrated the role of bacteria in fermentation and decaying process. The Pasteur actually evolved the many basic principles and techniques of bacteriology almost at the same time. Robert Koch of Germany made valuable contributions in bacteriological techniques. Koch in 1876 proved that the bacteria can cause a disease such as anthrax. The important characteristic of bacteria may be a spherical, rod-like, spiral, filamentous, or of many shapes. The size is also varied, which is a range from 0.5 micron, particularly in cocci, to 600 micron in a spiral forms in a diameter. They may be motile or non-motile by one or more flagella. The multiplication it occurs by simple fission, but in some forms reproduces asexually by endospores. The sexual reproduction has also been described in some bacteria. And diphtheria. They are also source of many antibiotics. The large number of the bacteria plays a very important role in a disposal of sewage as well as in a production of several industrial products. Thank you. It occurs in almost all types of favorable habitats. Bacteria are ubiquitous or omnipresent. Several million bacteria occurs in a cubic centimeter, particularly in sour milk, that means in a dahi. The many bacteria are responsible for decaying of the plants and animal tissues. Thousands of the diseases of the plants, these are also caused by them. They are also responsible for human diseases such as tuberculosis, pneumonia, typhoid, and diphtheria. They are also source of many antibiotics. A large number of the bacteria plays important role in a disposal of sewage as well as the production of several industrial products. Thank you.